Muling iginiit ng pamunuan ng Metro Clark Waste Management Corporation o MCWMC na pinag-aralang mabuti ang itinayong Kalangitan Sanitary Landfill sa Kapas Tarlac mahigit 2 dekada na ang nakakalipas.
I was hands-on in the technical planning, everything, and our consultant, we had here local consultants for environmental impact assessment, things, of course, with local consultants. But I'm let's say, the technical engine behind the operations. I stayed with the company here on site for 10 years, and up to my local colleagues were able to run it by themselves.
Ayon sa German civil engineer at water and waste management expert na si Holger Host, sa ibang lugar daw dapat itatayo ang naturang landfill batay sa plano ng Clark Development Corporation o CDC, subalit hindi ito feasible. Si Host ang kasalukuyang chairman at technical director ng MCWMC.
No, what we did, the CDC had another site in their opinion, but they were thinking only about CDC waste. That was a 3-4 hectare facility because the waste in CDC at that time, there were 360 companies. It was very small. It's economically impossible. And then, together with the environmental department at that time, we did a complete search inside the Clark Special with 36,000 hectares, which are the best locations. And we found only 2 locations which we would suitable for a waste management facility, and Kalangitan was the better of it. And the other one nowadays is anyway developed somehow. It was on top of a mountain. It was enough property, but not good location. Access was a problem. So Kalangitan was the first choice.
Paliwanag ni Holst, maraming mahalagang salik ang kanilang kinonsidera bago itinayo ang Kalangitan Sanitary Landfill. Wala raw kinalaman dito ang mataas na lugar na kinaroroonan ng pasilidad para sa basura.
You have a process to select a site. Main factor is groundwater, neighborhood, soil itself on site. Comes here, it's not lahar under it, we need clay. Clay is the main factor. Groundwater in Clark is Kalangitan is 72 meters away. The law requires 2 meters. So it's a very safe location. And of course, availability also. Collecting the leakage is already the third word. First, because we want to avoid that it leaks. We capture the water before, and this is a technical issue. Doesn't matter if you're high up or low down, you have to make sure that nothing goes in the ground. That's the main purpose of a landfill. It cannot be in a floodplain area. That's an absolute no-no. Then the water comes from outside, seepage through it. That's number 1 criteria normally to not allow a landfill.
Bunsod ng naging mabusising operasyon ng sanitary landfill sa Kapas, asahan raw na kaya pa nitong tumanggap ng basura sa matagal na panahon. May bentahe rin umano ito kumpara sa mga pasilidad na pagdadalhan ng basura kung itutuloy ang pagpapasara sa Kalangitan Sanitary Landfill.
Space. We have 100 hectare in idealistic form. We can build a 70 hectare pit. Up to now, we have around 31 hectare under operation, 32 something. It's disposed already 11 million tons. We have 39 hectare left. And in the whole cubature, it's around 15 million tons more we can dispose in Kalangitan. If we stick to our actual operations, that's for the next 15 years, which is not long in waste management terms.
Yes.
If we don't change another part of waste management, which I said before, the Philippines needs badly waste-to-energy facilities, and I would say segregation plants as product, if they work.
Jody Dizon Mercado, CLTV36 News.